Today, I will be teaching you how to plant lavender in a pot. Note that lavender does not tolerate the cold well, as it does best in a warm and dry environment. But if you live somewhere cold and still want a lavender plant, it will just require extra maintenance and supervision. For this project, you will need a lavender plant, a small watering can, a bag of gravel or loose rocks, a gardening tool, a large pot, a bag of soil, fertilizer, and gardening gloves. Step 1. Select your lavender plant of choice. I found mine at Lowe's. Remember to look for a plant with healthy green leaves and potential buds. Step 2. Grab a large pot. You want it to be a size that will allow the lavender to grow to its full potential. Look for one that is about 1 to 2 sizes larger than the plant itself. A great tip is to find a pot that has multiple holes so that the plant can drain water easily. Step 3. Fill at least 1 to 2 inches of the pot with the bag of gravel or loose rocks. Step 4. Fill the pot about 1/4 of the way full with soil. This does not need to be an exact measurement, but just make sure that the pot is not under or overfilled. Step 5. Remove your lavender plant from its current packaging. First, squeeze the bottom of the packaging, tilt the plant sideways, and carefully pull on the base of the plant. Remember not to pull harshly. Step 6. Gently squeeze and break up the dirt on the lavender plant to disperse its roots, and then place it back inside of the pot. Step 7. Fill the remainder of the pot with soil. Be careful not to pack the soil too close to the plant's roots, as it will hinder its ability to drain both properly and effectively. The base of the plant also needs to be at or slightly below the rim of the pot so the roots can be underneath the soil. Notice how I am pushing the soil into the pot. Repeat this same process until the soil has been distributed evenly and cleanly. Step 8. Evenly sprinkle a decent amount of fertilizer over top of the soil and spread it out with either a gardening tool or your hands. Now that we've gone over all the steps, let's go over some aftercare tips. So remember to water your lavender plant well. It will need to be watered more or less based on your climate and location. Monitor the moisture level of the soil also. Lavender plants prefer one deep watering versus frequent shallow waterings. This means you could be watering it once or twice a week. Again, this will depend on where you live. Lavender plants will also need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, as shade will prevent plant growth. Along with this, it is important to prune your lavender plant. This is another step that will be based on your specific climate and location, but it is usually advised to prune your plant several months before winter. Make sure to snip the stems about 1 inch above the new stems that form at the base of the plant. Pruning is an important maintenance step, as it can keep your plant healthy and growing for years. Good luck and happy growing.